It's Hannah from WTI. And if you are a Star Wars fan and a fan of the prequels like me, then you have to read this book. It's Master and Apprentice by Claudia Gray. Claudia Gray, in my opinion, is one of the best Star Wars authors out there, and this book is no exception. It takes place right before the events of the Phantom Menace, and it explores the really complicated relationship between Qui-Gon and Obi-Wan as Master and Padawan. You also get to learn a lot about Yoda and Dooku, and also Dooku and Qui-Gon. So when you watch The Phantom Menace, this gives you so much background information into the events that are taking place. I highly recommend this book. I think you should read it. I loved it. I found lots of things. I tabbed so much out of this book, and I really appreciated the storytelling in this novel. So if you are a fan of Star Wars, I highly recommend this, and that is my point of view.